Hi everyone, I am Aditya from S2MCom. Today we are going to discuss about the topic the role of e-commerce in COVID era. The worldwide spread of the COVID-19 pandemic has disrupted how people buy products and services and how they perceive e-commerce. The standardized lockdown rules across India and the growing hesitation among consumers to go outside and shop for essential goods have tilted the nation towards e-commerce. Consumers have switched from shops, supermarkets, and shopping malls to online portals for the purchase of products ranging from basic commodities to branded goods. Since the norms of social distancing has been initiated for almost the entirety of 2020, the scope of online purchases and online businesses is accepted to surge. And then we are discussing about analyzing the first impact on e-commerce. The COVID-19 has been exceptionally different from what we have ever witnessed as the world was forced into complete shutdown. It's safe to say that e-commerce was a saving grace, helping millions of people stay home and procure what they want at their doorstep. Gopal Pillai, Vice President for Seller Services at Amazon India, said that customers want to avoid stepping out unless it's very critical. We are helping customers who are stuck in that situation, and we are able to play small parts in helping to their needs. According to IBEF, the market opportunities for online commerce is India are expected to touch 200 billions by 2020 from 30 billions in 2017. The report also states that the Indian e-commerce industry is expected to overtake its US counterparts to become the second largest market for e-commerce in the world by 2034. As of today, China is the largest e-commerce market in the world with a value of around 672 billions. Business data platform statistics state that the customers retail segment is expected to see an increase the loss of ranging from 3 to 23% depending on the market. The report even included that the average retail e-commerce revenue per user in the nation was 50 million as of 2018 and is expected to go up till 75 by 2024. In the downside of things, lack of productivity during the nationwide lockdown resulted in the loss of jobs, pays cuts and finances. Shutting down of shops and family-based business it has made many people say towards online retails to meet their financial requirements. And then we are next discussing about the key messages for e-commerce in COVID-19 pandemic. First one, the COVID-19 crisis accelerate an expansion of e-commerce towards new forms, customers and types of products. Second one, despite persistent cross-country difference, the COVID-19 crisis has been enhanced dynamism in the e-commerce landscape across countries and has expanded the scope of e-commerce, including through new forms, customer segments and products. Third one, some of these changes in the e-commerce landscape will likely be of a long-term nature in light of the possibility of new waves of the epidemic, the convenience of the new purchase habits, learning costs and incentives for firms to capitalize on investment in new sales channels. And then fourth one, despite the efforts of some government to foster e-commerce during the COVID-19 crisis, persistent digital divides implies that not everyone has been able to participate. And then we are concluding about the topic e-commerce in COVID era. Setting up of a new e-commerce business is not easy task, but the prospect of having one is more attainable than ever. With so many businesses going online to satisfy their wants and needs during the year, the focus on digitalization and innovation has taken center stage and is expected to do for years to come. Okay, thank you.